Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate 123FormBuilder with Asana using Zapier, directly inside your 123FormBuilder account. With this setup, every form submission can automatically create tasks in Asana, helping your team save time and avoid manual errors. Let's get started. First, log into 123FormBuilder and build your form. Add fields that match what you want in Asana, like task title, description, due date, priority, or assigned to. Publish your form and make a test submission, since Zapier will need that data to complete the setup. Next, open your form's Setup section, go to Integrations, and click Use Zapier. Log into Zapier and choose Asana as the app you want to connect. From here, you can pick a popular workflow, like creating a task from each submission, or build your own. Now let's connect the form to Asana. In Zapier, your 123FormBuilder account will already be linked since you're logged in. Just go to Configure, choose the specific form you want to integrate, and proceed with the setup. Zapier will check for submissions, so use the test entry you created earlier to confirm the connection is working. Once the data appears correctly, you're ready to move on. Next, connect your Asana account. Choose the workspace, the project board, and the section where you want new tasks to go. From here, map your form fields to Asana fields, for example. Link the form name to the task title, the form description to task notes, and the due date field to Asana's due date. Finally, click Test Setup to send your sample submission to Asana. If everything looks good, click Publish to activate the Zap. After publishing, head over to your Asana project board where you'll see the new task created automatically with all the map details in place. That's it. With 123FormBuilder, Asana, and Zapier, your workflows are faster, more accurate, and fully automated. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials on building smarter, automated workflows.